Numbers are important because numbers do create an impression.
We were the first in liquids, we were the first in solids.
It's a very clean and green environment. It is really very peaceful to work here.
As a solution provider for any complex product.
Whenever and wherever there is a need for flexible packaging, Nichrome should be the preferred supplier.
We were making coils out of Nichrome wires, and that started in 1948 by my uncle. So that is why it is Nichrome Metalworks. As the time went on and as the markets changed, as the government policy changed, we changed our business, and then I suddenly stepped over this pouch filling machine.
Since 1977, Nichrome has been growing with time. Every year thereafter has become a milestone for us. Our products for us are nothing less than a work of art. Our journey in the packaging industry has not only been a remarkable one, but also a journey worth exploring.
One fine morning, we received a call from the Russian ministry, and they said, come and discuss. And when I came back, I had pocketed an order for 39 machines costing $1.5 million. So that was the starting point of our exports. We went on exporting to 40 different countries after that.
Right from being the first Indian company to commission the first milk pouch packaging machine in 1977 to launching the first highest speed spice packaging machine in 2016, Nichrome has been a pioneer in the packaging solution industry. Appointed as the managing director of the company, Hemant Ogle brings his 30 years of experience in diverse sectors like engineering, sales, and marketing.
We have partnered for technology transfer with Protopack USA for our multi-lane range of machines and Totepack Spain for our horizontal form field seal and the pick field seal machines, which are made indigenously to cater to local applications and products. We offer appropriate technology to meet customer demands. First of its kind pouches for tea, which have progressed from the traditional pillow pouch to a Stabilo 4-line seal pack, first of its kind in India. We have offered a complete turnkey project for tea. We launched the first Maxima 4-head vertical form field seal machine in India for spices, which is capable of packing 400 pouches per minute. The spice industry in our country has acquired an industrial scale. We offer end-to-end solutions for blending, mixing, grinding, conveying, and packaging of spices without human intervention.
Today, Nichrome incorporates 40 years of experience in providing innovative packaging solutions throughout a wide array of industries and applications. Nichrome provides packaging solutions for a variety of product lines with its high quality and flexible machines for solids, liquids, and viscous products. Nichrome has developed a versatile range of machines with their superior technology, and innovative packaging formats have proven to be premium for the Indian market. Mrunal Joshi, Executive Director of Nichrome India Limited, is in charge of the company's overall growth, bringing extensive work experience in the field of market research to Nichrome.
We are the first Indian packaging machine company with a solid experience of 40 years. We have handled so many products. name it, solids, grains, powders, you name it, and we have packed it. Take for example the ready to eat products, the palak paneer, the butter chicken, the chana masala, or the Indian gravies. The consistency for each product is different, and we can confidently boast of that we have handled these products very well. And why just Indian products? We have handled kefir and smetana, the typical products of Russia and the neighboring countries. We have handled so many different varieties of tea from Sri Lanka. We have handled variety of detergents and milk powder in Africa. So I think we can confidently say that we know the products that we pack very well.
Nichrome has a state-of-the-art research and development center focused on the design and development of its packaging machines. Conceptualization of the new development, designing, proto-assembly and testing of all the filling and packaging machines are done under one roof at this R&D center. Nichrome's development center uses the latest solid-edge 3D modeling software for design and analysis, whereas ePlan software is being used for electrical and controls to design and manufacture the highest quality range of packaging machines.
The Indian market is rapidly transforming from a low-cost pillow pouch to a premium, high-end user-friendly pouch formats such as pouches with spouts, with zipper, the contour pouches and Dio pouch. This wide range of pouch formats being offered by us can be experienced firsthand at our pouch gallery at our plant.
Nichrome emphasizes on giving complete support to our customers, from consultation and development of the machine as per client requirements to production of the packaging machine and providing extensive after-sales service. Nichrome is dedicated to providing the highest production rates, maximum accuracy and consistent pouch quality. Nichrome has a team of trained and experienced service engineers to cater to a wide database of installations and routine backup service. Nichrome makes a core team of service personnel available to cater to more complex assignments of installations and commissioning, retrofitment jobs and service support. The quality assurance team at the plant assures that each and every packaging machine manufactured at the plant passes through extensive tests and trials as per the stringent quality norms. In view of being close to its customers, Nichrome has a wide base of sales offices and service network across India and efficient channel partners across the world. For in-time spares availability, we have distributors across the country and overseas. At Nichrome, we believe in customer satisfaction and have always considered our customers as partners in our growth. We constantly strive to keep our customers completely satisfied and providing the best possible packaging solutions. Our customers, along with our machines, have not only progressed from manufacturing 1200 pouches per hour to 12,000 pouches per hour, but have also reduced material wastage and manpower costs, and this has proven to be a total value for their money. Nichrome's elegant history has nourished its present. The credit for being a leader in the packaging solution industry does not only go to its rich legacy, but also to its dedicated employees who proudly call themselves Nichromians. At Nichrome, all the employees are soulfully taken care of, and this bond has made the team grow as family.
I got freedom to work and I kept on taking initiative at my own, seeing beyond my job profile. Only initiative or if they are not supported by management, the things will not work. And whatever decisions we take, the management has strongly supported those decisions. Whatever development work, initiatives were proposed, those have been accepted.
The vision and mission for the growth of Nichrome, along with the Nichromians, has always led towards a bright future.
I think the biggest strength of Nichrome is its people. People who are experts in their field, people who are passionate about their work, people who are professional in their commitment, and people who are eager, enthusiastic and dedicated to make the customer happy.
I'm grateful to the customers, my customers.
That they have been with Nichrome for last 40 years.
In developing new solutions, thereby creating a win-win situation for both of us.
Diversified by products, united by Nichrome.